Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi Assist and what is it on the iPhone. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings and then go to the mobile service, which is right here. Then you want to go down a little bit, swipe down, and then you're going to find Wi-Fi Assist. And what is it? This is the option that is automatically using mobile data when Wi-Fi connection is poor. So it means if you are connected to the Wi-Fi that has not the fastest internet, and for example you're watching Netflix on your iPhone, this is going to switch to the mobile data by itself and not using the Wi-Fi anymore to complete the actions. So this is going to use more of your mobile data package, but it is going to also make your internet work a little bit faster. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.